Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. We can use about integration by trigonometric substitution. So I will put about s equals to the square root of number 3 over 202 tan t. Because if I put this one gone here, you got number 3 over 202 tan t square, 202, 202. They simplify number 3 and number 3. We can do about factorization. 1 plus tan t square. We change for secant of t square, and later that we simplify by ds. Next, we need to do first the derivative for the both sides, and we have like this. So this one I will put in here. ds we change for this one. So this one we have number 3 over 202 tan t square. Next, we simplify 202. So number 3 and number 3, we can do about factorization. This one, that is about secant of t square. And now we need to simplify secant of t square, secant of t square. And now we can put the number go outside. This one you got about t. About t, that is about this one. So we need to divide both sides by this one. And we have like this. And now we can find the value of t. So we need to change this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching.